say, because they can, well, hopefully they don't have to fuse your spine to take care of that herniated disc. White duct tape. Oh, dude, so you actually got to turn your, like, you can't really turn your head. Oh, you do? Okay, that's good. Yeah. Yeah, hopefully. Oh, really? Oh, yeah. I thought they just like, what do you call it? Just like fused them all together by using like scaffolding and well, basically bolted all of them together. Oh, wireless run, gotcha. Yeah. I feel you on that one, dude. Like, man. Ugh. Sorry, I'm painting up my, I got a disc brake conversion for my, conversion kit for my Suburban. I've also got 1-ton axles. I'm in the process of converting my half-ton Suburban. It's a 1989 square body, 4x4, so I'm converting it from a half-ton, putting 1-ton axles under it, and then I'm adding a third axle to it to make it 6-wheel drive. Why not? Yeah, dude. So I'm going from a corporate 12-bolt in the rear to a full float 14-bolt rear end, which is out of a 1-ton truck. Single rear axle 1-ton truck. Yeah, but you know, luckily enough I've only got to drive 4 miles to work. Yeah. Not to mention, I've got my motorcycle to kind of help make up a little bit for that. And believe it or not, I put in my reservation for one of those new Tesla trucks. So, this will be my yeah. That's the wave of the future, man. It's a weird looking truck, though, I can tell you that. But it'll also outrun any Porsche. And pretty much out-tow just about any truck at almost 10,000 foot-pounds of torque. No, I'll probably get 150 miles. You know, if I'm not towing anything, I'll get 500 miles. You know, it's the future. I mean, don't get me wrong. I won't be sorry to see my old square body go. I'm gonna do everything I can to kind of keep it, because I like those old square bodies. But when solar is cheap up here, actually electricity is cheap here. We pay 10 cents per kilowatt for electricity. Yeah, and that's actually high. The cheapest is usually, it fluctuates between 7 and 11 cents. So he stumbles more. You know, he doesn't walk as good as he used to. We had to take his driver's license away from him because he just can't get around as good as he used to. Yeah, pretty much. So this year, here in actually about a month, well, it was going to be this month, but now with COVID going on, just as soon as all that's over, I'm buying a boat so that way I can take him fishing easier. Because I'm tired of having to walk him down the bank. Then we'll go back up to the truck, get all the fishing gear, walk it back down there. Then an hour later, him wanting to move, I was like, ah, come on. So I'm buying a boat to take him fishing easier. You know, Mama, she's just as ornery as ever. So, you know how your sister is. Pretty much. So yeah, you know how your sister is. Yep. However. Yeah, no, I wish I could have got down there, and I tried to talk Mama into going, but she's like, no, because I see Gigi every day, and I got to say my goodbyes to her. You know, so she was satisfied and at peace with it, and it seemed like Grandma EJ was at peace with it too, and like Grandpa Sid used to. Big, round, and jolly. Short, except for shorter. Yeah, our Grandpa Sid was kind of tall, wasn't he? Trust me, I think I'm finally down to 275. I topped off at 310. And I was like, damn it. So, you know, I cut out all the sodas. You know, I quit smoking, for one. So, oh damn. See, he looks like an Oompa Loompa. He's wearing overalls now. But has he got the white hair like Grandpa Sid? Oh, okay. Yep. Yeah. The Gallagher, that was the guy with the big hammer that smashed everything, right? Yeah, okay. He looks like him. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and that's when Joel hit him. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, that's yeah, it's all of it. It's all a shame, period. Yeah. But at least he got to go where he's supposed to, though. Not. Yeah. You know, he helped out a lot of people, and he got his just rewards. Yep. Man, what is going on? It's like I didn't clean enough oil off it. Freaking brake calipers do not want to take paint. I cleaned them with acetone. I scrubbed them with my old toothbrush. Sam? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, no, I did. But hey, I hate to cut you off, but you know, I'm done. Yeah, I've actually got to get to bed because I get up at 3:30 in the morning, so yeah. Early to work.